when I look around, like every freaking woman I see out there is wearing an Apple Watch. You can't tell me
Right.
a woman doesn't want a tool on her
They're
wrist.
going to
They're
have something
wearing
there.
them. I would start to feel bad for flipping a watch, not for me, but like because I'm like, oh my gosh, all these people are gonna judge me. And then, 2 weeks later, I'd flip another watch, and it started to get to me, to be honest. And then we would get
Right.
comments, "Cat the flipper," and like all this shit. And so it
I
it
was
it
not
got
aware
to
of that
me.
when I called you a flipper, by the way. I was not
No, no,
aware.
no, 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 no. It's fine. I take no offense to it. Like it's true. And
What's going on, guys? So I've been traveling around a ton, and I just got back, and it's like over 100 degrees in the office, so I am just thrilled to be here. But jokes aside, before I left, I had the opportunity to sit down with one of my close friends in the watch industry, Kat Shoulder. She's one of the hosts of 10 and 2 Media, and now she's a media production manager over at Worn and Wound. So I'm just honored and thrilled to see how her career has flourished in this industry, because she's actually one of the first people that I ever really interacted with on Instagram when I started uploading watch pictures all those years ago. So she's a close friend of mine. She's given me some really unique insight on what it's like to be a woman in this male-dominated watch world, and she's just a really cool person to talk to. So if you want to see the whole podcast, please check out the Things That Keep Me Up at Night channel. I'll leave a link in the description below, and yeah, just enjoy and follow her everywhere, because well, don't be a creep. Don't be a creep. Follow her on social media. Ugh.